What is the process for installing an APK on Roku?
Welcome to our video tutorial. Today, we're going to talk about how to install an APK on Roku. If you've got an APK file that you'd like to use on your Roku device, this guide is for you.
What is an APK?
An APK, Android Package Kit, is the package file format used by the Android operating system for the distribution and installation of mobile apps. Roku, however, does not directly support the APK format, as it runs a different operating system called Roku OS.
How can we use APKs on Roku?
Although you can't directly install an APK on Roku, you can cast or mirror your Android device's screen that's running the APK onto your Roku. For this, you'll need a compatible Android device and a Roku device connected to the same network.
What do I need before I start?
Before you start, ensure you have 1. An Android device with the APK installed. 2. A Roku device connected to your television. 3. Both devices connected to the same Wi-Fi network.
How do I enable screen mirroring on Roku?
To enable screen mirroring on your Roku device, follow these steps. 1. Press the home button on your Roku remote. 2. Go to Settings. 3. Select System. 4. Choose Screen Mirroring. 5. Here, choose either Prompt or Always Allow.
How do I mirror my Android device to Roku?
Once you've enabled screen mirroring on Roku, follow these steps on your Android device. 1. Swipe down from the top of your Android device's screen to open the notification panel. 2. Tap on Cast or Smart View or any similar option. This can vary based on the device you're using. 3. Your device will start looking for devices to cast to. Select your Roku device from the list. 4. After this, your Android device's screen should now be mirrored on your Roku. Open the app you've installed from the APK, and it should show up on your Roku-connected TV. And there you have it. A complete guide on how to use an APK on Roku. Though it's not a direct installation, screen mirroring is an efficient workaround for using APKs on Roku. We hope this guide has been helpful, and now you can enjoy your APK apps on the big screen. Happy streaming!